Welcome to our mobile commerce application.
In this video, we will see how to configure product order limits for a specific product and how the mobile app prevents the orders when configured limit is exceeded. First, navigate to the point of sale or inventory. Click on products, and if you're configuring same for products, then open products, or if you're configuring it for product variants, open product variants. I'll open products. We will open two-way L clip for glass display L. Go to sales tab, scroll down, and you will find apply order limit under website product limit. We can keep the limit of any number that we want here. And then click on save. In this way, we have configured order limit for this specific product. Now we will see in the app how it works.
Now let's switch to the mobile application and log in using the same customer account. The customer can successfully add the product to the cart as long as the configured quantity limit is not exceeded. However, when the customer attempts to add a quantity beyond the allowed limit, the application automatically validates the restriction. This ensures better inventory control and customer specific purchasing limits directly from the mobile application.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.